Consider these three squares. The first one is 1 centimetre by 1 centimetre. The area of this square would be 1 centimetre squared. This square is 2 centimetres by 2 centimetres. The area of this square would be 4 centimetres squared. This square is 3 centimetres by 3 centimetres. Its area is 9 centimetres squared. Remember that all squares are similar, and let's consider the ratio of the lengths of the three squares. One to 2 to 3. Now let's consider the ratio of the areas of the three squares. 1 to 4 to 9. And note that this is 1 squared to 2 squared to 3 squared. So we take the ratio of the lengths and we square them to get the ratio of the areas. Now consider generally if we have two shapes and the ratio of their lengths is A to B, then the ratio for the areas is A squared to B squared. And we'll be looking at how to use this fact over the next few examples.